Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are on the channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke. So student, in this video our chapter is going on fraction and we are going to learn in this video the subtraction of two fractions. Okay student, how we will subtract if the two fractions are given, then which method is better to reach the answer quickly. Okay, so we will learn this type of approach in this video. So I hope that you will watch this video till end to get the 100% concept clarity. So let us start this video with the topic subtraction of two fractions. Good morning student. Now in this video we are going to learn the topic fraction and operation subtraction. Okay, if we are given two fraction, then how we will subtract these? Okay student, now the method is same as per our earlier videos where we have done the addition. So don't waste time and let us start the first question. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. So the first method is of the cross multiplication. So you see that I will write 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 so that I am now going to cross multiply. Okay, in case of two fractions we can do cross multiplication. 1 into 6 minus 1 into 5. Okay, and 5 multiply 6. Okay, this was the method I have explained in my earlier videos. Okay, 6 minus 5, 6 multiply 1 6 and 1 multiply 5 5 over 30. Now 6 minus 5 1, therefore answer is 1 by 30. Okay student, this is the method we can solve the fraction subtraction. Now in the next sum I am going to solve. I will adopt different method, that is of the LCM method. Okay, now here 3 and 6, I will take the LCM of 3 and 6. So firstly 3 and 6 LCM. Now you see 6 is divisible by, now you can see 6 is divisible by 2. Okay, so I will write 2 and 3 is not divisible by 2, therefore I will write 3 as it is. Now 6 is divisible by 2, so when you divide 6 by 2 then the answer is 3. Okay, now after 2 there is which number? That is 3. Now I will write 3. Now I divide 3 with 3 the 1 and 3 with 3 1. Okay, now what is the LCM? 2 multiply 3, that is 6. This 2 and 3 are multiplied, then we get the LCM. So the LCM is equal to 6. Okay student, this is the second method I am going to adopt in this question. Now I will write the division bar and write the LCM 6 as the denominator. Now I will divide 6 by 3. See here, 6 divided by 3. This LCM should be divided by the denominator. Okay, now when I divide 6 by 3 then the answer is 2. Okay, so this 2 is to be multiplied with numerator 1. Okay student, now minus. Again 6 will be divided by 6. When we divide this 6 by 6, then the answer is 1. Okay, now I will multiply this 1 with the numerator. Okay, so numerator is 1 and I will multiply this one here. Now 2, 1 multiply 2 2 and minus 1 multiply 1. Okay, by 6. 2 minus 1, that is 6. So the answer is 1 by 6. Now student, in this video I have explained two questions with the two methods. This was the cross multiplication method and this is the LCM method. Okay, now I will solve this second question with the cross multiplication method also, so that you may understand the full concept. Now I will use different ink for this. Minus 1 by 6. Okay, so if I do cross multiplication then I will multiply Now the next question is 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. Now student, I will explore some concept regarding LCM. Okay, so I will solve this question with two methods, but you will learn some other facts in this question. Now you see that 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4 are the fractions where we have to subtract those. Now these are unlike fractions. Okay, so first of all I will adopt cross multiplication method. So write question 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. Now what is the cross multiplication method? 4 multiply 7 and 8 multiply 3. Okay, 4 multiply 7 minus 3 multiply 8, and in the denominator I will write 8 multiply 4. Clear student? Now 28 minus 24 over 32. Okay sir. Now 28 minus 24, that is 4 over 32. Now we know that 4 divides 32 exactly. Now count the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. So the answer is 1 by 8. Now this was the first method. By using cross multiplication, we reach the answer 1 by 8. Okay student, now we solve this question with a different approach, that is of LCM. 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. Now student, you can see that this is 4 and this is LCM. Now you can see which is the greater number. Greater number is 8. See that 8 is exactly divisible by, clear? 8 is exactly divisible by 4 because 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So in this case the LCM is the greater number. Okay, so which is the greater number? 8. When one number divide other number exactly, then the greater number is the LCM. Okay student, so without finding LCM we will write the LCM. So what is the LCM? That is 8. So I will write below the division bar the LCM. Okay student, now if you have any doubt, then I can find the LCM. So see here, the first number is 8 and the second number is 4. Now which both are divisible on the table of 2. Now 2 fours are 8 divided by 2, that is 4, and 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Now both are divisible on the table of 2. Now 4 divided by 2, that is 2, and 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Okay, now again table of 2, 2 divided by 2, that is 1, and 1 is there. Now you can see that 2, 2, 2. What is the LCM? The LCM is same here, 8. Okay student, if you know this fact, then you can save your time to find the LCM. Okay, now you can see that exactly the answers are same for the LCM. Now we can see that if we know this fact, then we need not to find the LCM and we can save our time. So now what I have to do? Firstly I will write 7 and 3 and minus between them. Now I will divide 8 by 8. 8 when divided by 8. What is the answer? 8 when divided by 8. The answer is 1. Okay, now I multiply this one with 7. Okay student, I use different ink. Okay, that is 1. Now you can see, now I divide 8 with 4. The answer is 2. Now I will multiply this 2 with 3. Okay student? Now 7 ones are 7 and 3 twos are 6. over 8. Now 7 minus 6, that is 1, and 1 over 8, this is the answer. Now student, you can see both the answers are same. Now you can watch this question carefully to understand both the methods to solve a fraction where you have to done the subtraction. Okay. Now if you understand this concept and satisfied with this video, then please subscribe our channel Think Math, Think Different, Zara Hatke, and also press the bell button to get the new notification of the uploaded videos. Student, at this time you can pause our video and watch these complete solution which I have done in the video.